What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? We seem to hear all the time, see advertised on our Facebook feeds about get rich or with a Shopify store, you don't need to own any stock. But is it really that simple? And can you really make so much money doing it? In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to explain to you what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and give you a realistic tutorial on how to set it up. In short, affiliate marketing is a new twist on an old idea. It's when you get a finder's fee for referring the customer to a certain product. So if you're somebody that has a large following, whether it's on YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, or whatever it is, and you promote a certain product by providing a link to the product, and your followers go and click on that link and they buy the product, then you make a small commission from it. It's that simple. And to show you how easy it is to set up, I'm going to use one of the biggest affiliate networks, which is Amazon. Everybody knows Amazon. They're not the highest paying affiliated networks. They pay roughly 5 to 20% depending on what kind of category you sell or promote. Let's head over to Amazon. This is the home page. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a section where it says, make money with us. And you go to the associated programs. Now, when you click on that, it'll bring you to a page, to a form that you have to fill in. You have to apply for this, and they approve you very quickly. It's very simple to do. And once you're approved, you'll come to a home page that will look something like this, or this page. As you can see, I've done no earnings, because I haven't really promoted any products, but I'm going to do that starting from today. You then go to Amazon's website, and you could sell whatever you want. You could sell your favorite book that you're reading. For example, I'm currently reading this book, Why Has Nobody Told Me This Before? And pardon the pun, we can use the same thing for affiliate. It's so easy to set up an affiliate program. This, however, is on Everyday Tools for Life's Ups and Downs. Now, if I want to sell this book, it's very simple. I go to the search bar and I search for the book. Why Has Nobody Told Me This Before? Pops up over there. And then I can click on hardcover. And what you'll have is, once you are approved, your account will automatically get this section on the top of your page. So you got your shortcut of earnings, and you have a very important section over here which says get link. So this is the book, Why Has Nobody Told Me This Before? It currently costs £8 as a hardcover on Amazon. And if I want to put this in my link on YouTube, I simply click on text of get link, and it generates a short link. I can also get a full link, but we'll just use the short link. I then copy this link and I paste it in the description of, well, in this case, it will be this video. If it's an email, it will be in the email, or if it's an Instagram post, it will be there, or a Facebook post. And then if you go and click on this link and you buy the book through that link, I'll make a commission. And you can do this with any products you want. You know, I find a lot of people on YouTube, what they do is they put in the description a link to the camera they use, if they use a teleprompter, the microphone, the lighting, the stands, the camera stands, the tripods, and they actually put the links in the description so that people who like the picture quality or the microphone quality or the way the video looks, the editing software, will click on the link in the description and they will buy it, and the content creator will get a small commission. And to put this into practical action, I'm going to put in the link in the description of this video all the products that I use. And I'm going to start with a teleprompter, which I'm not using today because today's video is actually off the cuff. And I'll show you how simple it is. This is the teleprompter I bought. I got to tell you, it's absolutely brilliant. It comes with a light. You will not know that I'm reading from a teleprompter. You stick the phone in at the bottom over there and the text comes up and it scrolls. It comes with a remote, which I'm not sure where it is today because I'm not using it. It's just brilliant, and it only costs £86.99. I'm going to click on get link, text, copy this, go into the description, click on it, buy it, and I'll make a commission. You won't even know that I'm making a commission from it. It's that simple, and anybody can do it. Now, you don't need to be a YouTuber. I made a little bit of a list here of different ideas that you can use affiliate programs with. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and all that. YouTube, obviously. You can open up a Shopify store, have your own website, which is pretty much the same thing. The advantages are you have no investment cost. You didn't have to buy any stock. You have no storage fees. You have no shipping fees. And you know what the best of all is? You don't have to deal with a customer or any complaints for that matter. When somebody clicks on your Amazon link, Amazon deals with everything, including sending you the money. Genius, isn't it? Other places you can post an affiliate link are Facebook groups. If you have a family or friend's wedding or hen night or something and you want to get a bridesmaid's dress, you can simply go to Amazon, search in bridesmaid's dresses, bridesmaid dresses. And you know, I think, let's say this one over here, I'm just picking out a random one, $59.99. I want all the bridesmaids to wear this dress. I will send them, I'll make a link over here, and I'll send this to all the bridesmaids. Click on this link on Amazon, pick your dress size, and buy it, and I'll make a few bob from it. Or you can be a leader of you could be part of a synagogue, a church, a mosque. You can sell books. You can be part of a football club and get trainers or clothing or footballs or knee pads and shin pads and all that. There are so many ways to make money off an affiliated link. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. Please let me know by giving it a like. Subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly of businesses you can start with little or no money. Great channel, great content. And why not go watch the next video where I discuss how you can make money from property without putting in a penny. Thank you for watching and see you next week.